Sorry, baby. Sorry. It's early. Yeah, it is early. It's very early. Sorry? Sleep ka dyan. Silly. That is funny. You want me to put Yakult in your lunchbox? You wanna see the guys? Oh, baby. You miss the guys? Hindi ako naka-vlog ng 3 araw. Last vlog natin was Monday, nung nag-night out kami. Sama ng pakiramdam ko after that. Well done taking off your pajamas. Very good, Gail. Lunch ready. Fruit galore.
No.
Which one melts? It's an ice jelly pack. Yeah, that's alright. It's cold as well. You don't have to eat all the snacks, but you've got options here, okay? Thank you. Just water. Kape-kape. Sabayin natin si Ayla. Come on, finish your food. Yeah. Need to do your hair. What hair would you like today?
Christmas Jasmine.
Princess Jasmine. Okay. Easy.
Oh, mermaid.
Ariel.
Why it's very full?
Because I just opened it. I need to fix your hair. Cheese. Beautiful. And then I need to make breakfast for Almo.
Wow.
Wow. Kasi tulog pa siya, guys. So, gigisingin ko yun, tapos diretso na yun sa car. Alright, come on. You have to eat. You're beautiful. You're very beautiful, baby. What? What's that? Why?
Go on, then. You got school today? Nice. Can I come? Can I wear this? I'm ready for school, Mum.
Seriously? Seriously?
I'll put socks on. Back to school you go. When school is done, we have some fun. Hi ho, hi ho.
This still make it.
I'm wearing this to school. I just wear my socks. So my feet don't get cold. Good job.
I like the jumper. Very nice.
I have the same one. I do.
No.
With a bunny on it.
No.
I do.
No.
Seriously?
Look for the red toes. Mommy, Daddy got me off.
No, me.
Why?
He's busy.
Don't.
I got a meeting at 9 o'clock.
He's got a meeting.
No. It's Mommy.
Baby, he's got a meeting. He needs to work.
No.
Tomorrow. I think we have dancing tomorrow.
Really?
Yeah, really. Daddy can take you.
What? What?
Seriously?
Mom.
More.
Yeah.
Later.
Keep eating.
They're messy.
Yeah.
Very messy.
They're messy.
Well done, Ayla. Come on.
Okay.
Kuya Jay is coming at 8:30.
Why?
I asked him to come early.
Why?
So when I come back, he's finished.
Oh.
You want which hair today? Ariel or Jasmine?
Hey.
Ariel.
Don't open it.
Come on. Go. I'll get your hair stuff upstairs. Ready? So I can do your hair. It's going to be really nice and pretty. And then we're going to tell your friends, this is Ariel hair. All right, come on. Okay, hair stuff, okay?
Yeah. Mommy, what's on me?
It's not following me. It's not on, silly Billy. So you want Jasmine hair?
It's on me.
It is? That's good. What hair do you want again?
Hello.
You want Ariel?
Yeah, hello. No, it's Isabella. Isabella.
You want to see Isabella?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hopefully she's there today.
Louis
Hmm?
and Leon there hopefully.
And Lauren. Yeah, hopefully Lauren's there too.
And some this. Some this.
I like this.
It does
So
me.
nice, yeah. Very pretty, right? Alright. Ooh.
And my shoes are taller.
Who's taller?
Shoes my taller.
Ah, shoes make you taller.
Hi, Sophie.
What's healthy?
Hi.
Cake? No, it's not.
Daddy,
You want to show me your baby? Alright, we are here.
That's my baby.
You want to show your friend? Oh my
Let's
gosh.
see.
You're bringing back? Huh? You wanna... Hello, you dropped your food. Alright, let's go. Dito na kami sa parking. And back in the car again. How was it, Alo? Where's Ate?
No, no.
Where is she?
Teddy bear.
Huh? School. Ah, teddy bear. You want your teddy bear?
Teddy bear there.
Here.
I'll
You-
sit on that.
A sit down duck. Do you want wraps?
Yeah.
Yeah? 8:57. Alright, pwede na tayong umalis. Nag-open kasi yung mga shops alas 9. So, hindi ako nagmamadali. Pwede tayong pumunta ng Manura Deli or Kmart. Ano ba yung kailangan natin, boy? Let's go. Si Arlo na talaga nakapajamas pa din. Ayaw niya mo papalit kanina. Tapos nagmamadali na kami kasi ginising ko lang talaga siya. Tapos diretso sa car. Papalitan ko sana. Ayaw niya magpapalit. Buti okay yung pajamas niya ngayon. Kasi yung paborito niya sinusuot. Yung maduming elephant na pajamas. Yung may stain na. So ang dumi-dumi na tignan. Where are we going, Arlo? Ano ba yung nakita ko sa Manura Deli na kailangan ko? Alright, let's just go to Manura Deli. I know I'll find something there that I need. Do you want a surprise? Yeah. Say please. Ready?
Yeah.
Close your eyes. Close eyes for the surprise. Are you ready for this?
Yeah.
What's this?
Yeah, dog.
Yakult!
Yummy.
Lucky boy! Is it very yummy?
Yummy.
Yummy Yakult. Dito na kami guys. Painumin ko lang to ng Yakult tapos labas na tayo.
Let's
Ready?
go.
Ready, steady,
Go.
go! What do you say to Mama?
You.
You're welcome. Yay! Be careful. Good boy. Good drinking. Yakult lang. Okay. Yummy? What are we gonna buy here? Oh my gosh, I wanna eat lechon. Lechon. Lechon is the best.
Mama.
Huh? No more. That was quick. No more.
Emma. 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 Emma.
No more.
Emma.
All right, let's go out. Let's see what snacks they have for you there.
Yeah.
Okay, out.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Just wait for Mama. Okay.
What's yummy?
It's yummy. Hello, hello. Yes, Mama. Eating sugar. Oh, you funny boy. Are you a funny boy lang? I need to wipe nose. Yucky nose you have today. Hello, hello. Yes, Mama. Eating sugar. Telling lies. Ooh. Who's that?
There.
Mailbox? Oh no, Jay didn't open him.
I do.
Huh? Jay didn't open.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's okay, that's okay.
Thank you.
Alright, let's get out. Go in. Go in. Good morning! May nata di kuko na sila, oh. Red at saka green. Alright, Alo, come here, mate. Keep going. Yay!
Yeah.
May malaki, oh. Na liquid seasoning. No, don't do that, Alo. Do you have a ducky?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah? Ducky. I said ducky.
Yeah,
Ducky.
yeah.
Yucky. No.
Yeah, yeah.
Keep going. Oh, may mga squid ball sila. Kaya lang sabi ni Lyra, yung daw Marby's yung masarap. Yan, naalala ko Marby's din yung masarap. Pero meron silang Mickey na brown.
I like this one.
What?
I told that.
Chocolate?
Yeah.
That-
That's so yummy.
So yummy.
That's my orange chocolate.
Orange chocolate. Kutsinta man yan. Is that an orange chocolate? Can't reach it. Too high. That's okay.
Hi.
Too high.
I touched that.
Huh?
I touched that.
You touched it?
Yeah.
You are a good
I
boy.
touched that.
Are you tall?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, keep going, keep going, keep looking.
I didn't
Do you want that chocolate?
touch that.
Okay, go grab it. Go grab the chocolate. Ay, stick. Oh. No, this one. Do you want this one? Flat tops?
Just hot.
You want stick O?
I touched it.
Chocolate. Alright, you want this one? We'll get this one.
Yeah.
It's the junior dough.
Open.
Oh, later.
Open.
Do you want me to open it now?
Yeah.
Okay, come on. Here.
Yeah.
Open?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Open.
Please.
Please. Yummy.
Oh, putting Bear there. We put Bear in the basket, okay?
No.
So we don't lose Bear. Hindi pa naman sa'yo yan. That's not even your bear. That's Riker's bear.
I got the bear.
You borrowing Riker's bear?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, here you go. What do you say?
Yummy.
Yummy. Alis ka na?
No.
Yummy. What do you say to Mama?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, let's see what they have here. Is that yummy? Alright. There's no ice cream, Alo. No ice cream. Yeah, sorry. No ice cream there. So big. May nakita akong hopya dun sa post nila, pero wala dito. Dito pala yung hopya. Masarap daw to eh. Ay, meron pa silang mango ice cream. Tipas hopya. Ube de leche. Meron din silang pastillas de yema. Ba't ito muna? They're fighting?
Yeah. I grab this.
What do you have there? What do you have there?
That's rough.
What's this?
That.
How about this?
Body.
Monkey? What are they doing?
That.
Duck.
Body.
Monkey.
That's cute.
So cute. They're so cute, aren't they?
I saw it.
Huh? Do you want to sit on your seat now?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, you do?
Yeah,
Alright, let's go.
I don't.
Go sit on your seat.
I saw.
Ayaw pa niya umupo dun, guys. Ayaw pa niya umupo. So, yan, muna natin. May time pa tayo. Hindi pa tapos si Kuya. Ayoko na pumunta sa iba pang shops. Tapos
Mama, shop right here.
What?
I saw it eat.
You wanna eat?
Yes, yes.
What do you wanna eat?
Yes.
Kanina ka pa kain. Your face is dirty.
Yes. And fast laptop. It's 13.
Where is Triceratops? He's gone.
Yeah.
How about Stegosaurus?
T-Rex.
T-Rex, where are they? Stegosaurus.
Hardy tops.
Triceratops. Mommy will turn on the car. It's hot. You okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
What do you say to the guys? Say good morning.
I see them.
You're sitting down?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, Alo.
I said what?
Kain tayo, boy. Let's eat. Mag-hold na lang kaya ako dito, boy. Ang bait-bait ng kuya dyan. Kasi pag marami akong nabili, tapos hindi siya busy, dinadala niya talaga sa car. Sabi niya, your hands are already full. Lagi talaga. Pag walang ibang customer, tinutulungan niya ako. Thank you, kuya. You okay there? Anak naman tong car. Ano muna natin siya maglaro. Kasi ayaw pa niya umupo eh.
Mommy, I love you eat.
You wanna eat again?
I sorry eat. I love
Ingay mo pa. Ingay mo naman. Wait, let's turn off the AC because Mommy's car is noisy. You're sitting down?
Yes.
That's not your seat though. Bumili ako 3 Mr. Chips.
I love that.
And then, Stick O, na kinain na ni Arlo kanina yung iba. I got mango juice, guys. Yung Del Monte na mango juice drink. Lagyan ko lang to ng maraming ice para ma-dilute siya ng konti. Kasi, medyo concentrated to for me. And itatry ko tong pork tocino ng Argentina. So, Pinoy na pork tocino. We got Arlo's mango juice. Apple juice. Kasi nauhaw na siya kanina. Kumain siya ng stick O. Juice. Yummy? Yeah. What do you say to Mama lang?
I love you.
No, I'm sorry.
I see them.
You're sitting down. And then, bumili ako ng mga delata. So, meatloaf na maliliit lang. Pang isang kainan lang ni Mami. 3. Sardinas. Nilagyan ko to ng egg, guys. Masarap to. And carne norte. Ito yung itatry ko. Meron akong nakita doon na ube lang nakalagay. Ito, ube de leche. So, sana mas masarap to. Kasi inisip ko saan sa dalawa. And ayokong bumili ng dalawa kasi baka hindi ko magustuhan. Nakita ko kasi nag-post sila na meron sila niyan. Let's take a photo, send natin sa girls. You right there? Kung ano-ano lang pinagagawa mo dyan. And, oh my gosh, pumili ako ng pang-ano, fruit salad. So, nakadalawang bags tayo today. Aray. My favorite cracklings! 3 cracklings. And nandito yung mga pang fruit salad. So, I got 2 of the tropical fruit mix, yung Fiesta na Del Monte. So, 2 cans nito. Itong dalawa, okay na okay sa isang condensed milk na can at saka isang yung cream. And then, sweet jackfruit, guys. Gusto ko din magpapak nito. My gosh, merong puno nito yung lola ko sa bukid. Kaya lang ngayon wala na ata. Nata de coco for our fruit salad. And, ito, malaking liquid seasoning. You right there, boy? Happy ang buboy natin. Ay, may tubig ako. Very good. Dala-dala ko pala yung aking tubig. Alright, because I have tubig. Let's eat this.
Ay, Adia.
Huh? Bless you.
Teddy bear.
Teddy bear. Here. So, ikaw na talaga hindi sa'yo yung teddy bear. Diba ang init na? Kain tayo muna nito. Wala pa si kuya. Hindi pa tapos eh. Sinecheck ko kapag nasa alfresco na kasi siya. Meaning malapit na siya matapos. Pwede na tayo umuwi.
Ay, sorry.
Wala pa. Hindi pa nalinis yung alfresco. Ha?
Yeah. I sorry.
You shopping?
Yeah, that's sorry.
You shopping with mama?
Yeah.
You sleeping? You did wake up early, boy.
What sleep?
What?
I tried the Spider-Man.
You're Spider-Man!
Woman.
And Superman! Show me your flying Spider-Man. Can you fly like Spider-Man?
Egg.
Huh? Egg?
Don't take it.
Kung ano-ano nakikita mo, boy. Good talking, boy. Bye tayo, guys. Ha? Sorry, guys. Maingay yung AC, ha? Sorry. Mom is nosy. Ay, nasusuka ako. Ay, ano ba yan? May na tayo kumain, guys. Ano ba yan? You ready to sit down? Ikaw na talaga maakyat-akyat dyan, boy. Ginawa mo ng playground yung aking car. Pang ilan mo na yan, boy? Yummers, boy?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yum? Do you like chips? You like Pinoy chips? Nagpahinga ako kumain kasi nasusuka ako. Pangatlo na niya yan. Hingi pa yan ng more pa. Hintayin nyo lang. You okay?
Yeah.
Do you want more?
Yeah.
Okay. Is that yum? Aww, thank you. You sharing? That's okay. I'm good. Thank you. I don't want it. You don't want it anymore? You wanna throw? No, don't throw. Here, give it to mama. Give it to mama. Thank you. Mama, eat it?
Yeah.
Mama will try.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Nakatulog kami. Thank you, Lord. Nakaano ata ako. 25, 30 minutes. And now we're eating the hopia. Pangalawa ko na to. Masarap siya. Manamis-namis yung ube sa ilalim. Masarap niya, in fairness. Wow.
Look.
Very flaky din yung pinaka-hopia niya. Nilagay ko siya sa air fryer ng 2 2 minutes lang, 180 degrees Celsius. Knock, knock. Knock, knock, ate. Where are we going? Where are we going?
Oh, she's there. Oh.
Where are we going? Are we going to school? Pick up ate? Alis na kami guys. Ihi lang ako. Knock, knock on the door. Knock, knock. Knock, knock. Hello, madlang people. Mabuhay. Naging asoka. Guys, kami ay naka-pajamas na. Well, ako at saka si Arlo, si Ayla ay naka-dress because she wants to wear a dress. But pagdating namin kanina galing school, nag-request ang mga bata na maligo. So, habang naliligo sila, ako ay naligo na din. And chicken is in the air fryer. I'm gonna make the sauce now. Charipaban! Charipaban! Do you wanna say, hello, madlang people, mabuhay. Maggawa tayo ng Parmesan sauce.
I want this birthday. I want this.
For your birthday? When's your birthday?
I'll be 4 like this.
You're gonna be 4, yes.
And I can hold it.
Yeah, you can.
And I don't. My birthday's tomorrow.
Yay. Is it tomorrow already?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Charipaban!
It's my birthday day, Mom.
Huh?
My birthday day.
It's not your birthday today.
Happy birthday, Mia.
Happy birthday, princess. Charipaban! Charipaban!
I learned this in a party.
Party?
Yeah.
Whose party?
Me.
Okay. Go Jamas, Jamas.
That's 4.
You have dancing tomorrow, ate. Here, Peppa Pig.
Okay. That's a
Yeah.
different.
Okay. Alright, take off your dress, please. And your skirt. Doble-doble yan siya, guys. May tutu dress na, may skirt pa sa ilalim. Tutu. I like your jamas, baby.
Have you done this in my bed?
Oh yeah, don't touch that. That's yucky. Remember, it made your hands really smelly?
Yeah.
Yeah, we need to put that in the bin.
Put it in bin. Yucky, yucky.
Yeah, I will. Alright, go lay down. Do you want to say goodnight to the guys?
This is so comfy.
It's so comfy. Yeah.
And the sleep in my bed.
Okay. Say goodnight to the guys.
Baby don't like my bed.
Baby girl likes your bed.
Yeah.
Say goodnight to the guys.
Good night, guys.
See you
I want
tomorrow.
this teddy too.
Oh, I love that too. Good night, guys. See you bukas. Be good.
We did.
Be good.